Slovenia may be small in size, but it's big in its achievements and its investment potential. As a technologically developed and creatively orientated green country, Slovenia has gained international recognition in the past years, thanks to the exceptional work of its innovative companies and the worldwide communication campaign, I Feel Slovenia Green Creative Smart. Created by Spirit Slovenia Business Development Agency, it has but one goal: to highlight Slovenia's main competitive advantages and help foreign companies find new business or investment opportunities. With over 25 years of experience, Spirit Slovenia has become the primary source and single point of contact for potential foreign investors and international companies. To promote the country's cutting-edge business environment, Spirit Slovenia has chosen 41 best local companies as ambassadors for Slovenia's business. And although they excel in various fields, ranging from mobility, robotics and digitization, to environmental technologies and creative industries, they are united in their sustainable efforts, smart solutions, and high-quality products. Doing business in green, creative, and smart Slovenia is fast and simple because of its reliable economy and experienced people who are always open to new ideas. Start your venture now and grow with Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.